kids are cool. We vlog at the pool. We vlog after school. We vlog as a family. We vlog every day. And none of us are bored at night.
All right, good morning to Del Boca Vista day 2. It's Monday. Hi, Dad. Girls are still sleeping. Abigail's in watching videos because Emily woke her up with her snoring, she says. And I think we'll start today with a little time lapse. Alright, well, here are the first set of golfers that we have seen this morning out on the golf course. Got a couple in the fairway, got a couple on the side of the fairway. Alright, Zoe G, we just got some comments from you on the vlog. Here are the girls' dolls. Looks like they're dead.
They're not.
But you only have 2 with you.
I have Julie, but then I have a make your own that's named Bree.
Show her Julie.
Where's Julie?
Julie is right here, but she's naked.
Oh, so that's why you have her zipped up in her bag?
Yeah. And then I have more clothes for her. I have more clothes because I brought all my Christmas American Girl.
What'd you bring, Emily?
I have 5 dolls. I brought Grace. She is in there. And then I have Isabel, Sage, Molly, and Emily.
Okay. All right, it's time to go yachting with my dad. He's gonna...
When you pick this up, you gotta go like this.
All right, we're now over at their friend's house picking up their golf cart.
We flew home.
Must take an Uber to the airport. All right, my parents are good friends with these people. The unfortunate part is there's a Raven sticker on the front of this cart. I'm gonna have to take care of that, especially seeing they beat the Steelers yesterday. All right, my dad's in front of me. Supposedly this is a really fast cart, so I'm gonna try and catch him. Whoops! I just hit him. All right, looks like they got a big group there now. 4 golf carts, a bunch of boats on the lake. All right, now I'm passing my dad. Slow Eddie. No, I need to get in the driveway first. He's gonna leave before me. I assume. Maybe he's gonna take the car. I don't know. No, I don't think so. All right, it's boat racing time. We're going to see my dad race the boat. I got my chicks in the back of the golf cart. We're gonna drive over and check out the pond and see what's happening.
Come on, hurry up. He's gonna leave without you. Daddy!
We're leaving Nanny.
Come on, wait for me. Stop screaming.
Nanny, or Abigail's always got your back.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Here we go.
We're off. All right, we just showed up. The boys and girls are racing. So we're here at the race. I think the best way to show you this is through pictures. So right now my dad's on the course. He's way over there. He was doing pretty good until he hit the first turn and then he missed it. And now he's up to like 4th place. So I think he's recovering quite well. But here are the pictures. Look, girls, Grandpa's winning. Look at this, Grandpa's winning. It's close. They're 2nd, 3rd, 4th. Come on, Dad. How'd that race go?
Huh?
How'd that race go?
Good.
Did you win? 2nd?
Grandpa won that one. Yeah.
Grandpa won.
Good job.
Is that your first one ever?
Yeah. Oh, first ever?
Yeah.
No.
Today?
Try it, Emily.
Emily, you should try it. They're willing to let you try it on their boat.
It's good to see. It's good to be here and see Grandpa win, isn't it?
Yeah. It's exciting to see.
I think everyone probably let him win.
Oh, really? Because he has some fans?
Think what? Oh, you think? Oh,
I don't think so.
He was just very fast that race. He was very fast that race. Way to go, Dad. Proud of you. Yeah, Grandpa won.
We're getting our ice cream.
Yeah, the girls want to go to the pool. Careful of that. I'm not going.
All right, I'll meet you over there.
All right, I'm not going in there.
You going right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And are those your friends?
That's his boat.
Yeah, this is my son Tom.
Yeah. Hey, I'm Tom. Hey,
So much.
do it, Dad. Win. There he is. 40 seconds. We're heading in the golf cart to the pool. Well, the girls are headed to the pool. I think I'm gonna ride my bicycle, unfortunately.
Right, so the girls finally made it to the pool. Here we are, swimming with Manny. Abigail, do you remember how to swim? Show me. Let's see. Go out that way. Good job. Abigail's got a new trick she's going to show us. Look at her floating. Good job, Abigail.
Go swim.
Abigail's going to do disco swimming. Go ahead, Abigail. Let me see it. Disco swimming. Oh, okay, we're in the pool.
She can't hear you.
Why not?
Shit, because of the audio.
There's no audio. All right, so Grandpa made it to the pool. He's getting out. He does his exercises. Now the girls are still in there. What's the girls doing?
We're pretending to be.
Oh, it's mermaid time.
Yes, I got my hair.
I got my book. I might read. Hi, Nanny. We're vegging at the pool today, so it's a lovely day.
We're just chilling out at home.
We're doing a race. I think Emily cheated. We started too quick.
I'm gonna show it again because the camera's on. Ready? I invented this. My turn. So I'm gonna do it, okay?
Okay.
My head was slowly coming out. I bet you go like this.
All right, so it starts in the back of a Publix food and pharmacy grocery store. Right now I'm locating satellites, and I'm gonna go get lost today. My Garmin says it has 23% battery. That may not be enough today to finish, but I luckily have my iPhone for backup. But I'm gonna go get lost. Don't know where I'm going. Wish me luck.
Our swim races continue. Next up, Emily and Abigail. This should be interesting. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, Abigail's doing good. Come on, Gabby. Come on, Gabby. Oh, tied up right now. Oh, Emily got her.
Okay, now she said she was gonna be a tortoise. I'm going to be a tortoise.
I thought we weren't going back.
All right, so I made it out to Fort Myers Airport. It is brutally windy today. People say, will you take the wind over the hills? I'll take the hills over the wind any day. At least Charlotte. Look, JetBlue plane. Just in time to see one take off. And then I'm out here by the cargo planes, FedEx and UPS. You obviously see which one does more business. All right, I better get back to it. It's a little warm today. am enjoying the warmth, but not so much on the bicycle. All right, let's do this. Actually, I think this will be a good point to show excerpts from my ride. So I hope you enjoy it. All right, day 5, Rafa, done. 40.9 miles. That's more like it. That's what I need to do every day. I'm gonna go home, total up all I have right now and figure out what I need to do to finish. I don't feel it's right that I'm doing this. Well, we're on kind of vacation, but I kind of knew this going into this, that this was gonna happen. Because I do this every year. I gotta make it 5 in a row, right? I can't quit now. So close. I don't know how close I am. Anyway, it was a good ride. Too much glass on the roads, but other than that, for the most part, room to ride. So I was happy to find those bike lanes. All right, heading home, gotta stop at the store, and then we'll see what the girls are doing. Hopefully they had fun at the pool. I'm sure I missed a great time. Made it home. These are my new water bottles because I forgot my water bottles here that are about 4 or 5 years old. I guess I should retire these.
It's good color.
Not good for you, Tom.
Okay. We just finished dinner, made burgers, and that was after I stopped and got myself a little quick snack.
Is that where you were like, good to know, and I was talking on the phone? I thought you were just being fun.
Nope. How was your dinner, Dad? Good?
Yep.
How was the pool? Were the girls behaving themselves?
Yeah. They had fun.
Yep. We got Nanny's hair all wet though.
Oh, they did?
They weren't following the rules. And then, and so Nanny tries to get away from them. So she goes across the pool, and these boys, huge boy, 20 times worse than Emily and Abigail.
Yeah, right.
So the kid jumps in, there's a huge,
Like tidal wave.
and I'm on the noodle just laughing. And then I guess one of the kids must have said to the other boy, hey, did you laugh? Was that funny? And she was like, no, I didn't. It was funny. I'm on the noodle just laughing.
I know she was laughing hysterically because
She didn't really realize that first that I was laughing at her.
oh yeah, I heard you.
You're like, did you laugh? Was that funny? And she's like, no, it wasn't. No. I could see Joyce, the mother, coming out. Like, the mother of young kids, like, right. Oh, it was great.
Oh, they're actually moving.
Oh, they are moving.
Yeah.
We're out checking out the Christmas lights
Look at that one.
in the neighborhood. Little barbershop quartet? I don't know.
Look at his American
Look over there.
How'd you like the Christmas lights, Emily?
I'd like some.
I like them.
Have you guys done the Christmas lights things before?
No.
Yeah, you've been at our house.
Yeah, we were at your house. There weren't that many up when we left. And actually, we didn't have time.
You guys think you'll do it next year?
Do something.
Which side, front or back?
I know a lot of people do like, you know,
Yeah,
Both.
up the back.
yeah, so that everyone can see it, I guess, on the golf course or whatever.
And from the that one.
I'm sorry. I thought it was
It was like ice cream. It was
Alright, so it's ice
but
cream
I had 4
for
bowls.
dessert,
I think the golf maker had it.
and the night's over.
I
I'm
would.
gonna edit the vlog. I'm exhausted. I need to go to bed.
Actually, we could have it.
All right.
I'm hungry. I have
Thanks for watching. Be the best human being you could be. I'll see you guys. Hey, you ready for some more Ryebreads? Yeah, me too. Just click over here to check out our family's journey. We're a family of 4 here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Just providing some daily entertainment on YouTube. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.